Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to have another MacBook Air. This is the M1 model that I just got. We're going to have another video on it, and I'm going to show you the 5 things that I do to a brand new Mac after I get it set up to really make it feel like it's mine. So I want to show you that now. We're going to jump right into it. It'll be a short video today. So let's get started on that right now. Okay, I'm recording my screen here, and one of the first things I do when you look at my screen here, the dock is huge. I don't know who in the world keeps their dock that big. So what we're going to reduce the size of it. We can either put it on the left, right, or keep it on the bottom. So I'm going to keep it on the bottom since I'm on the Air. I'm going to go to the Apple menu. I'm going to go to System Preferences. I'm going to go to Dock and Menu Bar. And this gives you a whole lot of control over what you want to do. So I want to take this thing and I want to make it small, and I'm going to watch it as I do it. And I want it about that big. Now you cannot actually go ahead and make it to where it'll disappear, and you can make the menu bar up top disappear too. That'll give you the whole screen. I like leaving the menu bar up there so I can see what's going on with the battery and all the other stuff, but I like having that dock small. I'll go ahead and uncheck that. And that's the first thing that I do. That's set up the way I want it to. Now, staying in the system preferences, let's see, I'm going to go over to security and privacy, I think. And I'm going to go over here to where it says use your Apple Watch to unlock your apps and your Mac. And if you have an Apple Watch, this is the ecosystem. Your phone, your iPad, your Mac, and your watch. You can use this, you can check this. You have to add your password. And now, if the screen lock is enabled, all you do is double click your watch and it unlocks it. Pretty cool. I like it. All right, so still in the system preferences, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go down to trackpad. And this allows you all the little gestures and the different things you can do with this trackpad, and it's one of the coolest trackpads on any computer. Matter of fact, the one on my Dell over here, I hate using it. But if I go to point and click, I want to be able to tap that, and this goes back to my Windows days where you just tap the trackpad instead of having to actually click it. With this one, you can actually set up silent clicking. You know, it actually makes a noise when you tap it now, but I like that. So it's your scroll and zoom. You know, you can squeeze and pinch and stuff with your trackpad. So that's another thing I like to do. All right, so that's number 3, right? Yeah, number 3. Number 4, I like to run software updater, and I did that earlier after I got everything running. But I like going and checking for updates because not that the software is buggy or anything, but there's a lot of enhancements and stuff that Apple releases. That's one thing I do like about it. And me being a software developer, I know all about that. So we do want to turn on iCloud Drive, which I already have that. I won't show that, but I will show it in the Finder menu where I have the iCloud Drive over here. And I've got all my folders set up to where my documents and desktop and music and stuff. One of the other things I like doing in the Finder is going to preferences, and I like having my hard drive, my Macintosh HD, my icon on the desktop. So if I move this over now, here it is on the desktop. So I like having that. You know, there's a lot of other things in the preferences you can get. If I go to sidebar, I can actually turn on my folder, my pictures, my music, my movies, and on my Mac. I can turn all these things on and they'll show up in the sidebar now. So if I go there, everything shows up in my sidebar. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the last thing I want to do is set up TimeMachine. Okay, I'm going to go to System Preferences in the Apple menu. Hopefully my screen's recording. I'm going to go down here to TimeMachine. Alright, now what you have to have a share set up on your NAS, or your backup drive has to be plugged in. You're like a external hard drive. But I have a NAS, and I have a AFP share, which is Apple File Protocol. So I'm going to select my backup disk, and there is my TimeMachine Skype. I'm going to use the disk. I'm going to put my password in and hit connect. I got 1.51 terabytes available. I've got a quota of like 2 terabytes. I don't know. So it's ready to go. So now I'm going to go to my TimeMachine icon up here, and I'm going to say backup now. And now it's going to go. So I don't know how many things that was. That's 5 or 6. So anyway, we're backing up. So this Mac is mine now. So I hope y'all like this video. A couple of the YouTubers that I follow that have been really dealing with the MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, Mac Minis, the M1 chips, Mark Ellis Reviews and the Everyday Dad. I suggest going out and checking out their channels too, because they have a lot of really neat camera equipment, sound equipment, and they really have more money than I do to be able to buy these things. But so far I'm enjoying this. So hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. If y'all have any tips of your own, leave them in the comments. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day, hope you're having a great week, and until the next video, thanks for watching.